Vieira with StockMarketLive.tv. How to invest in Bitcoin. The world's best trade alerts on this financial instrument. Completely free. So how to do it? You just have to follow us. And I'm not referring to day trading or short-term trading. That is for the Americans and the Canadians. I'm referring to trade alerts that they move Bitcoin $200 minimum. All right? So where do you find this? In our website. We have been discussing this instrument for years, since the very beginning, almost. And you have an article on the website. Bitcoin, the most recent, Bitcoin bubble is back. Sell short aiming at the collapse. I repeat, this is the most recent article. The most recent article refers to 3 steps available to investors in Bitcoin US dollar. This is the most important pair worldwide using Perelman trading algorithm. I'm not going to explain Perelman trading algorithm. You have information with regards to it on the website. But here you have several steps. Vieira, my name, urges investors to dump Bitcoin ahead of the crash. This was made available to you in a blog post a few years ago at $900 when the Americans, they raised the targets to $2,000. You probably remember it, right? Well, that was the top, or very close to the top. With the Americans raising targets to $2,000, Bitcoins went to, as far as I remember, 1,100 more or less, and the crash happened. So you sold at the top, based on information, sell ahead of the crash. There was going to be a crash. That was 100% guaranteed. Bitcoin crashed. When to buy back Bitcoin? There is other article on the website, a free live chart posted in a service called TradingView, when to do it, around $200. And you didn't have to do it at the bottom, right? At $200 it was fine. So in 2015, if you built or created a position around $200, what did happen in 2015? This instrument, the price zoomed recently to $500 plus. So you find on this article a video that I recorded live when when the instrument was trading at $480. What we did was to sell short heavily. Recommendation to sell short heavily. The bubble is back. And since our recommendation, the prior recommendation was to buy, what we did was, assuming a short position, you have 2 accounts, one with a short position, $480, and the other one with the long position. Since your objective or your aim is to maximize the profit, it's very simple. The second account, you are going to dump everything, and you are going to force Bitcoin going down and the collapse, because the Americans are buying again at the very top. So what did happen within just a matter of 3 days is that Bitcoin went from $500 all the way down to a price today below 300. So it's very simple. And where do you find this information? Precisely here, and completely for free. If you follow our Twitter live channel, you click here on Vieira forces large investors to dump Bitcoin at 444, precisely forcing below, not when everyone was buying at $480, that is when you are selling short on the first account. On the second, you are then dumping and forcing them to crash, since the objective is to make the most. So you sold the long position with a very large profit, and meanwhile, since you forced them to sell, the price went down, collapsed, I repeat, today to a price below $300, and by doing so, you have maximum profit on both sides of the market. It's very simple. So what else do you need? This is not day trading, short-term trading. So each trade alert moves Bitcoin price $200 on both actions. And everything has been available here completely for free. So 99% of Americans lose money in the stock market, and the IMF knows about it, and Bitcoin is the currency of the devil. Why? Well, because we can change our opinion from strong buy to strong sell whenever we want, and the consequences are on the tape, all right? So very simple, you have here a chart, and if you want to know the chart previous to this one, you have the investment process in Bitcoins available on that website, tradingview.com. So what is the price today? You just have to click here, full screen, and then if you click here, make it available. Today, I repeat, they were already below 300. You can see it here, that it went to a price 200, more or less 93 or so, and therefore 100% accuracy. So what else do you need? Are you in message boards, day trading Bitcoins? There is no need for that, my friends. How many articles do you find here with regards to Bitcoins? Well, you find probably 5 or 6 articles, 5 or 6 trade alerts, and each trade alert moves Bitcoins 200 at least, minimum. Since the first one, Bitcoins crashed when I told you that they were going to crash. So if the aim is for the collapse, probably Bitcoins, they were going to make a major move, and they made a major move. And the Americans, once again, as the IMF knows very well, 99% they lose money in the markets. Thank you, and continue following the real-time recommendations available on the website. And you have here a wonderful opportunity to become or to turn any regular investor into a millionaire overnight. Do you have questions? Refer to the facts. Click on the links, and the links you have there, the live trade alerts, as well as the video recorded at $480. No one told you to buy Bitcoin at $480. No one told you to buy Bitcoin at $900. Okay, those were the Americans saying that Bitcoin were going to $2,000. So ask them for the bailout.